Hello there, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about living and non-living things. Yes, living things are all around us, and I am going to sing this song. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. Yes, they are. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. A boy is a living thing. A cat is a living thing. A tree is a living thing. Yes, they are. Living things can move and go. We know all the living things. All right, so we are going to go straight into our lesson. So living things are all around us, right? A man, a dog, a tree. Yes, and non-living things are like book, house, a pencil, your sharpener. All right, living things can move. You can move your arm up and down, right? Yes. You can walk, right? You can move from one place to the other. Yes. Living things can grow. You were born a baby, now you are a big boy or girl. Yes, so we have a tree as a living thing here, a man as a living thing, and a zebra as a living thing. Non-living thing cannot move. So living things can move. You can run. Living things can grow. Living things feed. You eat food, right? You drink water. Living things can breathe. Living things can feel. Very good. But non-living things cannot move. It cannot grow. Can the house move? Can your house grow? No. Can your chair move? Can your chair grow? No. Living things move on their own. They grow on their own. Yes. And they can feel. Living things can grow. All right. Now we're going to look at something else. Living things can move. Look at this now. Look at the snake. The snake can crawl, right? Look at this bird flying. Look at this fox. Look at the man walking. Living things can move, yes. Look at this fish swimming. The fish is a living thing, a living thing, a living thing. The fish is a living thing. It can move. Non-living thing. Can the house move? No. A house is a non-living thing. But look at this plant here. When you touch it, it closes up. When you touch a plant, it closes. Yes, it is a living thing. Look at the flower moving. Yes, the flower can move. It's a living thing. Living thing can grow from a baby to a big boy or a girl into an adult. That's how we grow. Look at this plant. From a small plant to a big tree. Yes, living thing can grow. Look at the kitten. From a baby little kitten to a big cat. Living things can grow. And living things feed. Look, can you eat? Yes, you eat. And the plant feeds on nutrients. And animals eat as well. Look at doggy eating. Living things can eat. Yes, they can feed. Yes. All right. Now, plants need three things to grow. Plants need sunlight, air, look at the air there, and water. So you must water your plants every day. Thank you so much, boys and girls.